This week on Cars and Things Restos, we've got an unboxing. We've got a little gift from MaXpeedingRODS. They have come on board and have sponsored us, and they've sent us a gift. Welcome to Summer Speed 5. Welcome back to Cars and Things Restos. Okay, as I said, MaXpeedingRODS, legends. We really appreciate their help, hey Mick? They have sent us this here, among other things they want to send us, but this is what we said we would be able to do straight away, because what it is, it's a adjustable coilover kit for the Stato. All right, we're going to do an unboxing. Let's have a look at it. I probably don't need to yell, Mick, because I've got mics on.
Yes, probably not.
Alrighty. Got some destructions there.
Want to look at them? Ooh, they're nice anodized ones too.
Alrighty, let's pull them out.
They look the part.
There they are, people. Fully adjustable and also valve adjustable as well. I'll have to read up on how to adjust them. So that'll give us a good looking stance on the Stato. And rear ones, Mick, pull the rear ones out.
Rears are there, yeah.
They even got anodized tools. That's pretty cool.
Let's have a look at one of the rears, which is same, they're all anodized. Pretty neat looking.
So there's the rear shockers. So they are all fully adjustable. And I think it's 24 way, isn't it? Where's the... Geez, not very big springs in the back of it. Look at that. And there's the adjustable part that goes up underneath the car. So we've got to see if we can make them fit onto the Stato. I'm pretty sure, does it say in there, I think, this is looks like a bit of a catalogue here. And if you go on to maxpeedingrods.com.au, you can see the products that they can provide you and they sell you. It is magnificent. Not only suspension parts, but turbos, everything. I was checking out alternators, all that sort of stuff. There's their rods, which when we get to doing Brothers LS, we might get these MaXpeedingRODS to put in it, Ford's rods. But there's heaps of stuff. I've been on there and had a bit of a look, and I can't believe the amount of stuff they sell. And I'd never heard of them until they contacted me. But they're all over the place. As I said, they're not only just in Australia, they're all over the world. There is a little diagram here.
Should have bought me glasses.
So they're all over the world. The warehouses in US, Canada, Mexico, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Russia, Australia, Japan and Thailand. And we are here in Australia, and happy to say we are now ambassadors for MaXpeedingRODS. So without any further ado, now, but we've got to let you know what you can do. So you can go on to their site and you can buy anything, and I'm pretty sure what we have is a discount code for you to benefit from. If you buy anything from MaXpeedingRODS and you put in the discount code of CARS1, you'll get a 10% discount, and every time you buy something they contribute to Cars and Things Restos. So now we're ambassador. You're virtually buying a product off them and it's going into our pocket helping us build cars. So we are muchly appreciated of MaXpeedingRODS for doing that for us, and every one of you guys that go out there and buy parts off them. Alrighty, well that'll do. There's the unboxing, there's the bits and pieces. We will do a video of fitting it up to the Stato and we'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty, well thank you for coming along and watching. If you haven't subscribed, please jump on and subscribe, hit the bell, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Mick hasn't said a word the whole video.
That's what I do.
Alrighty, cheers.